Today we will talk about a book written by Dr. Joseph Murphy, which has done miracles in the lives of crores of people and changed their lives completely. Yes, we are talking about the power of your subconscious mind. Take this book lightly, do not make the mistake of taking it in. This is the best book ever written about the subconscious mind. Dr. Joseph Murphy spent most of his time studying the religions of Eastern countries. In connection with his research, he also lived in India for many years. After studying all the major religions of the world, he became convinced that there is a huge power prevalent in the entire creation, and that power is within us, which Dr. Murphy named the power of your subconscious mind. Means the power of your subconscious mind. And about this power, we will understand in detail in this video. When you learn to use the magical power of your subconscious mind, miracles will start happening in your life. You will achieve everything that you want to achieve. You will achieve every destination that you want to achieve. You will be able to earn so much money that you would not have even imagined. There are total 20 chapters in this book which can take us to the ladder of success, through which we can achieve whatever we want. If you watch this entire video carefully and understand, if you implement it in your life, then I can promise you that no one will be able to stop you from being successful in life, and you will be able to touch every height of success. If you also want to achieve everything in life, which you have not even imagined, so watch the video completely and don't miss a single point. So let's start chapter 1. There is a huge treasure hidden within you. Do you know that a piece of iron with a magnet can easily lift 12 times more than its own weight? But if you remove a magnet from it, it cannot lift even a single straw. Similarly, there are two types of people in the world. One, who has magnetic power, who is full of faith and belief, who knows that they will win and succeed. And the other one, those who do not have magnetic elements, who are always scared, remain fearful, they have doubts about everything. Such people are not able to move ahead in life. You can also become a magnetic person, provided you understand the biggest mystery of history, the power of the subconscious mind. Understand and start implementing it. Now we will understand that this subconscious mind is actually what? Is your brain actually one? But it has two distinct parts. The characteristics of both are different. A line separates the two parts. The functions of both are basically they are different from each other. Each department has got different powers and qualities. One is the conscious mind and the other is the subconscious mind, which is visible on the surface. That is the way you appear is the conscious mind, and the mind which is inside you, which is what is not visible, is the subconscious mind. How the conscious mind and subconscious mind are connected to each other is understood from a story. Once the great opera singer Enrico Caruso was afraid of going on stage at the beginning of his career. Due to fear of his throat, his muscles became numb. His face became drenched in sweat. He went behind the stage in shame and panic. After a few moments, he had to perform in front of thousands of people. But after seeing the public, a feeling of fear overpowered him. He said tremblingly, "I can't sing, everyone will laugh at me." He turned to go to his dressing room, then suddenly he stopped and shouted, "Run away, fear, you have to run from here." He again went on the stage and stood with his chest raised, and he said like this, when your conscious mind is filled with fear, anxiety and stress, the negative emotions start flowing in your subconscious mind. And these negative emotions fill the conscious mind with fear, apprehension and despair. Whenever this happens to you, then like Enrique Caruso, you too stand firm against the negative thoughts of your conscious mind with full courage and confidence and say in your mind, "I am in complete control. I can do this work easily." It is very easy when you give orders to the conscious mind in this way. Your subconscious mind will be filled with peace and harmony, and enthusiasm and strength will come inside you, and you will get results which you would not have even thought. Suppose your brain is a garden, and you are the owner of that garden. Now which crop will grow in your garden? Obviously, only that crop will grow in your garden whose seeds you sow in it. Similarly, we also sow the seeds of our thoughts in the garden of our mind throughout the day. Now, these seeds of thoughts come from where? They arise from our habits. If you sow thorns, will you get grapes? If you sow thorny bushes, will you get a crop of figs? Just as you sow thoughts in your mind, the same results you get. Now, the question is that why do you have to think good thoughts in the conscious mind? Then the answer is because the subconscious mind cannot differentiate between right and wrong. It just works to give existence to the thoughts thought by the conscious mind, whether it is right or wrong. This is a very important line. If you have not understood it in one go, then go back and listen to it again. For example, if there is a person who is very angry at someone, and his anger has increased to such an extent that he wants to kill that person, and he keeps saying again and again, "I will kill him, I will kill him, I will murder him." Because of saying these things again and again, all these things will be imprinted on the subconscious mind of that person, and those were born from the lamp of Alauddin. Like him, the subconscious mind will speak the orders of my master, and it will create such circumstances that one day the person will actually commit murder.
Now, killing someone is a very bad thing. So, why did the subconscious mind not stop him from doing all this? Because the unconscious mind is right and it cannot differentiate between right and wrong. It just works to give existence to the thoughts thought by the conscious mind, whether that thought is right or wrong. And if a student wants to top the exam and says again and again, I will top, if you imprint this thought in your subconscious mind by repeatedly saying, I will top, then again your subconscious mind will say, whatever is my order, my boss, and it will create such circumstances that it will force you to work so hard that it will appear in the exam. This subconscious mind can bring into reality everything that you want to achieve. Therefore, every thought that comes to your mind is important. Give place in your mind only to such thoughts which give you strength and power, which are weaken our brain. Do not let such negative thoughts enter the brain. Chapter 2: How your own brain works. The conscious mind is like the captain of a ship. It only gives orders to the employees sitting in the engine room below, who operate all the boilers, machines, and instruments. The employees working in the machine room do not know where and in which direction they are going. They only follow the orders of the captain on the basis of his compass and other instruments. Even if there are wrong or incomplete orders, even if the captain gives them, they follow that order without questioning. Even if they hit a mountain, because their job is only to follow the orders. Employees cannot question the captain, they only follow the orders. Just like that, your conscious mind is the captain and navigator of your ship. Whatever your conscious mind believes in and considers correct, the unconscious mind accepts your order without asking any questions. Whether it is right or wrong, it does not matter to it. And when you keep saying any word or sentence again and again with your conscious mind, then your subconscious mind accepts it and makes it come true, whether that thing is right or wrong, positive or negative. When you say any negative things again and again, you say things like, it is very difficult, I can't do it, I am not smart and intelligent, I am useless, it is not in my power, I can't become rich. Then your subconscious mind accepts your words and creates exactly the same conditions that make it really difficult for you to get that thing. As long as you keep saying, I can't buy this car, I can't travel to Europe, I can't buy this house, I can't buy this suit or these trousers, till you can't buy, know that your unconscious body and mind will follow your negative orders and you will live in deprivation throughout your life. But if you instead say, this is very easy, I am very smart and intelligent, I will become 100% rich, I can buy this car, I can go on a Europe tour, then your subconscious mind will accept this truth without asking any questions and will create such circumstances by which you will achieve that thing. It may sound a bit strange to you, but this is the same truth, friends. Let's look at another example. A young singer was called for a song audition. She was waiting for the interview with great breath, but she failed in the audition thrice. Her voice was very sweet, but still she failed. Why was it? Because every time before the interview, she kept saying to herself that people will not like me, they will not like my voice, I am very scared that maybe I will not be selected. Her subconscious mind accepted her negative things and presented them in front of her. She failed. She overcame her fear in this way. 3 times a day she went to her room, she sat on a chair and relaxed her body. She closed her eyes. By doing this, she calmed her mind and body. To overcome her fear, she started saying to herself, my voice is very melodious. I can sing very beautifully. I am completely ready to sing. I will sing and sing in a melodious voice. And she repeated her words with confidence in a calm voice. Then she continued to practice 3 times a day, repeating the same statement 5 to 10 times in each setting. By the end of the month, she was back to full enthusiasm and confidence. She got ready, and when she was called for the audition again, she sang in a very melodious voice and was selected. If you ever face such a situation in life, then you must use this technique 100%. You will succeed. Chapter 3: The Miraculous Power of Your Subconscious Mind. The father of American psychology, William James, has said that the power to move the world is in your subconscious mind. Whatever you imprint on the subconscious mind will make heaven and earth to fulfill it. It does one thing. So you should write right and positive thoughts in it. Many times you have to wake up at 4 a.m. for relax. Then at that time you set the alarm for 4 a.m. and go to sleep. But at 4 a.m. in the morning you wake up a few minutes or a few seconds before the alarm rings. Why does this happen? Because your subconscious mind is very powerful. And when you went to sleep before sleeping, you said in your mind that I will wake up tomorrow morning at 4 o'clock. That thing got imprinted on your subconscious mind that you have to get up at 5 o'clock. And your subconscious mind started working and woke you up a few seconds or minutes before the alarm rings. You can also try this technique to achieve big things. All you have to do is lie in bed every night before sleeping, relax your body, close your eyes and give suggestions to your subconscious mind. These suggestions can be what you want or achieve. Like if you want to be successful in your business, then you can say day and night, I am getting rich in all my interests. My business is going very well day by day. I am getting a lot of money. I am becoming rich. I am getting all the happiness of the world. I am perfect, ideal, powerful, love, complete harmony, complete and happy. You have to do this continuously for 21 days, and after that you will get used to it and you will be surprised to know